I had sociology as my optional because, and it was not my first choice. I'm an electrical engineer by profession, so college में जब मेरे को था मन एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करने का, तो then I was studying electrical. When I quit my job after 3 months, I thought कि geography उठा लेते हैं, it's good for engineers. I was not comfortable with that. Then I looked at Pol Science. I spent about a month with my optional selection, and then finally I chose sociology. So do spend time with it. देखिए अगर आप उसको ढंग से पढ़ पा रहे हैं, वो बात रजिस्टर हो रही है दिमाग में, और कॉस्ट बेनिफिट एनालिसिस जरूर कीजिए कि किस ऑप्शन का सक्सेस रेट अच्छा है, यूपीएससी में कैसे मार्क्स दिए हैं. दिस इज अ ट्रेंड दैट इज फॉलोड. मतलब इट्स नॉट दैट एवरी ऑप्शन स्कोर्स वेरी वेल एवरी ईयर, सो यू मस्ट डू दिस एंड बी केयरफुल अबाउट सिलेक्टिंग योर ऑप्शन. Start your preparation. This is the right time for next year. I'll come to the people who are writing it this year in a short while. For the people writing it next year, because you're larger in number. So start your prep. 4 to 5 hours is good enough. Next year around May, you should have been done with your optional once. एक बार खत्म हो चुका होना चाहिए, और आप फिर अपनी प्रीलिम की डेडिकेटेड तैयारी स्टार्ट कर दीजिए for those 2-3 months, May, June, July. Because that is the amount of time prelim requires. You don't need to spend hours for your prelim preparation. अभी से ही आप MCQ solve करने लग जाए, that's not required. मई जून जुलाई के मंथ में सारे जो रेप्यूटेड इंस्टीट्यूट हैं, खान KFG के उठा लीजिए आप MCQs, Vision, Synergy, whatever you can get your hands on, दिल्ली से मंगवा लीजिए. The bookstores they courier it to your houses. Pick them up, practice them. You will crack prelims for sure. If you are a dedicated student, you are following current affairs, you are doing your basic polity, economics, geography, science and tech current affairs, prelims is not a hard exam, believe me. There are a lot of people, आंकड़े तो बहुत बड़े आते हैं कि 10 लाख ने फॉर्म भरा, 5 लाख ने लिखा, but this is that category of kids which Ronald calls just because Papa said मेरे को एग्जाम लिखना है, ये उस कैटेगरी में आते हैं. You guys are the really dedicated people, so it's not tough. A few tips about prelims. Don't think that you will attempt 80 questions, get all 80 right, and you will crack pre. So that efficiency trap which people fall into कि मैंने 80 के 80 मैंने जितने attempt करने सारे सही attempt करने और pre clear करना है, it doesn't work like that. You have to read the paper once, attempt the questions that you know, then read it again, then in that second reading attempt the question that you are slightly unsure of, 50-50 वाला जो option होता है, and you must go with your gut. You will score. I remember in my first attempt I attempted around 81 questions, and in my second I attempted 82, and दोनों attempts में around 16 to 17 questions were wrong, but I attempted some questions which were also right, and that worked out. It works in your favor. Go with your gut and compete कर रहे हैं before you write your UPSC exam. वो आपको बहुत beneficial रहेगा, आपकी confidence भी build होगा, and it will help you for your pre-examination. It's all about practice. This exam. Now the mains, see, August to December is a very heavy period for you. That is where you really have to slog. And अगर आपने उन 3 महीनों में जम के मेहनत कर ली तो आपकी life set है. You will crack this exam. I can give it to you in writing because that's how I did it. In my first attempt also, I had a phenomenal score in my mains. I didn't get through because I didn't get IS because of my interview score. In my second attempt also, I did the same thing up till July. I was light. I did practice tests for pre. And August to December is where I was really putting in a lot of hours, 13-12 hours of study in those 3 months, and it does work. Now for main, see, the main syllabus is huge. You have GS 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have optional paper 1, paper 2, ऐसे के लिए भी पढ़ना है. So if you see your GS portion, let's talk about GS right now. Each paper has sections. GS paper 1 में आपका history है, फिर आपका sociology है और geography है. अगर आप इन सबको सेक्शन वाइज देखोगे, सबकी अलग अलग से बुक्स उठाओगे और पढ़ने लगोगे ना, आपकी यहाँ तक तो बुक्स ही हो जाएंगी. जीएस पेपर 2 के लिए भी ऐसे हो जाएगा, पेपर 3 के लिए भी ऐसे हो जाएगा. सो यू मस्ट डू अ कॉस्ट बेनिफिट एनालिसिस हियर. हिस्ट्री के लिए यू हैव फिक्स बुक स्पेक्ट्रम वगैरह है. फॉर योर ज्योग्राफी यू मस्ट बी सीइंग योर एनसीईआरटी, जीसी लियोंग एंड स्मॉल नोट्स फ्रॉम माजिद हुसैन फॉर योर इंडियन ज्योग्राफी. एंड सोशियोलॉजी के लिए देयर आर फ्यू नोट्स दैट यू गेट इन द मार्केट. खान अकेडमी आल्सो प्रोवाइड्स, एंड the newspaper Hindu has a lot of sociological articles, so if you're doing that you'll be ready for that paper. Paper 2 has again 3 sections. Your polity, you're well versed with Lakshmikant. अब आपको उसको extrapolate करके देखना है कि न्यूज में क्या आ रहा है उससे रिलेटेड, वो आपका क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा in your polity section.